Okay, hi everyone. As you can see, my brows are not done. Okay, so I'm gonna do an eyebrow tutorial for you real quick. And yeah, that's all we're doing today. Just show you how I do my brows, how I achieve my brow look, how, you know, everything works out with me and my brows, okay? So that's what we got going on today in today's videos. I will show you the products that I'm using, but they will also be posted down in the description box below. Okay, also follow me on my social media, and yeah, that will be posted here in the video, and it will also be posted in the description box below, so make sure you check that out and bring your friends. You know, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, so let's just get right into the video. Okay,
got a little bitch, she live in Miami. She want me to take the flight to Miami. She wanna go and see Dr. Miami, but the bitch so bad she don't even need surgery. She throw the pussy on me, man, I murder shit first.
okay, so to start this video off, I have a clean face. I mean, I washed my face this morning and everything, so I didn't feel like it needed to wash earlier today. This will be a talk through. I will be talking through how I do things. If you see me looking down, I'm just trying to get my life together real quick. So typically what I like to use is Dipbrow for my brows, okay? Pomade. If y'all can see that or not, there we go. This is my brush off real quick with a wipe. And I like to do this because it makes my brush really thin. It makes my brush like really thin. If y'all can see that. So that's why I do mine with the wipe. Amongst other things. It's like pencil thin, like it's like needle thin. It's very thin, okay? And so what you need will be your Dipbrow pomade, angled brush like this. They usually call like eyeliner brushes. That's usually what they call these. Yeah, you will also need a spoolie. These two came together. These are by well, no, actually this one didn't come with this one. This is by Eco Tools. This brush is by Eco Tools. So it's a spoolie. I'm just gonna take my spoolie. I'm just gonna brush my hairs up, you know, brush the front up, and then like just shape my brow out because I did pluck them last week sometime. I don't really have a lot of brows, as y'all can see, but I'm about to. Okay, so I like to take a little bit of primer, just a little tiny bit, about that much, maybe not, hold on, maybe not even that much, but whatever. And what I like to do is I like to use a compact mirror so I can really see what I'm doing, okay? So I'm just gonna take a little bit of primer just to, you know, hold that in place and just, you know, like set my brows, like so. I like to see what my arch is gonna be, which is here. So I typically do this, and like that. And that's how I see my arch is gonna be. I know y'all see that fat ass line right there. It's fine. Don't worry about this part. I'm gonna wipe it off. Okay. So now we're closing all up in each other's face. I know my face looks kind of crazy right now. But so what I'm gonna do is I like to start midway, go under, and usually I just do like that. Now I don't too much worry about making my brows perfect because I want to clean them up with concealer anyway. But yeah, and then I like to go on top and just shape out my brow. Like that. My tail does not have to be perfect because I want to clean it up, as I said before. Then I like to just lightly go in the front. Like so. So that's how my brow is right now. Same thing up top. Now, that's how my brow looks right now. Me personally, I like a little bit of higher arch. So I'm just gonna go from right here on the brow and just kind of try to shape out a higher arch. Oh, girl, what I do? Now with a higher arch, your tail's gonna come out a little bit more too. So it's kind of gonna look that, but of course I'm gonna clean it up, guys, okay? I don't typically do my brows, like try to do them perfectly and stuff like that. That is just not me. And then I like to go ahead and just fill in the tail when I get the shape of the tail. So that's how I want my brow to be shaped, okay? I'm just gonna get some more product and I'm gonna go ahead and fill in the rest of my brows, like so. Now when I fill them in, I just, you know, take a little extra product and make sure they're really dark, like towards the end, until I get about right here, okay? And then I just lightly brush up. So this line in the front is kind of faded out, but you can still see the definition of the brow, right? Like so. And then what I like to do, so it doesn't look like it's a, like darker, so it doesn't look like it's a line in between the darker part of the brow and the lighter part, I like to just blend them together, like so. I don't know if y'all can see that. Like so. Here are my brows. Now this is what they look like before you clean them up. They just look like, you know, regular brows. Okay. So next step is concealing your brows. A flat brush. The top of it got concealer on it. Maybe it looks weird right now. But this is what I use. So what I'm going to do is now is I'm just going to take the concealer like this. And I'm just going to put it underneath my brow. Like that. Okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this concealer and I'm going to inch up my way to the brow. This is how you stop from too much product getting underneath the brow and getting into the brow. So where you won't have to clean it up so much. And I'm just lightly going along the lining of the brow. Going along the shape of the brow. Very lightly. To make sure I don't go up too far or anything like that. And I like to raise my brow up a little bit. Just to make sure I'm getting everything. You know? So now it doesn't look like I have a whole bunch of product underneath the brow. And this is what we're looking like. We're going to do the same thing on the top. On the top, I just like to follow the shape of the brow. Mind you, I'm using the same side of the brush I was using the first time. So I'm not using any more extra product. All the extra product is on the other side of the brush. And I'm just doing this. So, okay, so I went ahead and did the other brow. Now, I'm just gonna take whatever concealer I have left on this brush, which is not much. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of my Tarte Shade Tape here. Okay, so the reason why I started lower when I did my brow in the beginning, why I started here before I worked my way up to clean up the brow, is because I'm prepping my eye for a base for my eyeshadow. So that's the reason why I started so low. But I mean, I will upload another tutorial on how you can do your brows if you're doing like the no makeup look as well. But this way I just showed you, it's just particularly for full glam. Okay, So, but I can't use all the concealer if I just wanted my eyes done. Like, I know people, a lot of people, like, they do their eyebrows and they don't do nothing else. Because I do it all the time. I just do my eyebrows and put on some mascara and I go. Like, unless I'm ready to go somewhere, I'm making a video for YouTube. But anyway, so, I know I'm just blending out this concealer around my brows. And really, I mean, that's it. I know I look crazy, but this is how I do my brows, guys. Okay, so here you go. You're welcome. My first brow tutorial. Okay. But after this video, I'm actually starting to record a video for my eye look. So make sure you check that one out because this is not what I look like after I finish my brows. I promise you. So, but once again, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and, you know, share and all those other things. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.